If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, your body will experience great health improvements. Garlic is an immensely beneficial food, also it's a very popular ingredient in the kitchen all over the world. This beneficial vegetable is a powerful antibiotic, which can prevent and treat almost any disease. Garlic has been appreciated for over 5,000 years. It has been used for providing strength, increasing productivity, and circulation. Moreover, the soldiers used it to protect the skin against poisons and to enhance their courage. In fact, science has recently confirmed that garlic offers many beneficial health effects. Detoxifies the body. Heals bug bites. Prevents heart attacks. Boosts the immune system. Treats fungal infections. Prevents high blood pressure. Reduces cholesterol levels. Fights atherosclerosis. Controls coronary heart disease. Treats motion sickness and traveler's diarrhea. Alleviates cold symptoms and hay fever. Garlic effectively controls the symptoms of osteoarthritis, diabetes, enlarged prostate. The amazing benefits of garlic are a result of a component called allicin. At first, you should crush and chop the cloves, and leave it aside for 15 minutes, and then add it to your food. Thus, will release the compound allicin. Here are 2 garlic and honey recipes you should consume on an empty stomach. Garlic and honey recipe. This powerful remedy will boost your energy levels to an extremely high amount. Ingredients: 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon raw, organic honey. Preparation. To begin with, chop the garlic cloves into small pieces and mix them with a tablespoon of honey. Take this every day and you will feel more energized and healthy. Garlic flu tonic recipe. Furthermore, the garlic flu tonic is especially effective for treatments like flu and cold. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves, chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped. 2 red chili peppers, chopped. 1 lemon, juiced. Raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Preparation. In a 350 to 500 milliliters mason jar, add all the ingredients. Start with the garlic, then the chili peppers, the ginger, and lastly add the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar. Leave about 1 centimeter of room at the top, then seal the jar, and store it in the pantry. Finally, consume it regularly to treat the symptoms, and prevent any health disorders.